Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today we are making my favorite dosa recipe of that is cheese dosa. For that you can, as you are regular in the last videos also can see, I have heated the pan, then add some oil around 2 to 3 drops, then apply the onion, then sprinkle some water. So now take the dosa batter around 2 spoons. As you can see here I have took here round spoon. So don't forget to watch my last videos of tomato garlic chutney dosa. Then you have butter dosa also, masala dosa also. So watch that 3 videos and this is the cheese dosa. So you can see the meditative dosa shape. Oh yeah, sorry, shape. Okay. Now sir, I'll be applying the butter on it. So applying butter, it gives so tastiest crispiness and so tasty also. Then after applying the butter, around 1 spoons of finely chopped onion and tomatoes. You can say I've added it. Then I'll be adding around 1.5 spoon of aloo curry, which we have made separately in the liquidy, somewhat liquidy taste, liquidy texture, so that we can easily spread over it. Then I'll be adding around 1 tablespoon of chili sauce. You can even skip with your tomato ketchup if you want tanginess, but adding chili sauce with cheese is the best combination. So I've added here chili sauce, or you can make it in your home also with the red chilies. So do comment in the comment box how it is if try once. So you can see I've spreaded here. So after spreading completely, I've spreaded here. So after spreading, I'll be adding here mozzarella cheese. So cheese you can add according to your taste. If you want more, you can add more. If you want less, you can add less. So according to your taste, you see and add your cheese. So this will be just loved by everyone, your kids, your family members, grandparents, parents. They just love it having this. So do like, share to your friends, family members. Do comment for more new recipes. So you can see here I've added here cheese. Then after adding the cheese, I'll be adding some leaves of coriander leaves. Now let it cook for 1 to 2 minutes. So you can see it is done. Then flip it over and take it off. I'll be serving this with this common coconut chutney. So you can see it is done. This is one of my brother's most favorite recipes. So he is just tasting this cheese dosa.